In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your display name in Fortnite. So a couple of settings you need to tweak here within Fortnite. Open up Fortnite, doesn't matter what platform, console, PC, doesn't really matter. Click on your little channel icon there or your little username. And then what you want to do is you want to go to the gear icon here where it says settings. Click on the gear icon. Once under settings, you want to go all the way over to the right. It's the little avatar here on the right-hand side. It is the account and privacy section. And then once under account and privacy on the sidebar here, you want to go down to where you see gameplay privacy. If you want to, you can just scroll down, really doesn't matter. And then what you want to do is you want to change or make sure these two settings are the way they are on my screen. You want your public game stats to be turned to on, and you want this one here that says hide your display name during regular gameplay turned to off. This could ruin or mess up the entire process that we're doing today. Once you've changed and made sure those settings are the way they need to be, you need to open up a browser, a web browser. Doesn't matter, Google Chrome, Safari, Internet Explorer, I don't care what you're using. You can use any browser. Just know that if you are on console, this may be easier to go over to a mobile phone or your computer and do this because some consoles don't allow you to open up a browser. So go ahead and open up your browser and type in www.epicgames.com. and go to the main Epic Games website. You then want to go in the upper right-hand corner and you want to sign in to your Epic Games account that is linked to your Fortnite account. So go ahead and do that now. It may ask you for a two-factor authentication code. Go ahead and input that, hit continue. Once you've done that, you want to go and click on your username in the upper right-hand corner to bring up this drop-down menu, and then you want to go to where you see account. It's about midway down the screen. Under account, you should see this option here under account settings on the sidebar. That's where we want to be. Next, you'll see account information, and then you'll see your current display name. You want to click the blue pencil icon there next to your display name. Just know that when you type in a new display name, like I'm going to do here, you can only change this once every 2 weeks. So go ahead and type in your new display name on Fortnite. Go ahead and check the I understand button here, and then once you're ready to go, you hit the blue confirm button just like so. As you can see, your display name was changed. So go ahead and close all the way out of the Epic Games account store here, as well as your Fortnite account, relog back in, and your display name will be changed. Hopefully this helped. If you have any questions, put those down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.